There are so many sources online that tell you different methods to earn money easily. Maybe you've tried most of them, or maybe the others seem too saturated. Well, in this video, I am going to show you websites that most people haven't tried yet. And the best part is, they allow you to make money anytime. I know you're excited, so I won't keep you waiting. Let's dive in. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed to be up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first website can make you some excellent money if you enjoy school. You routinely take notes and you had fantastic grades when you were in school. Then you should check it out. Using Nexus Notes, you can turn your class summaries, lecture notes, study notes, and other types of professional material into potentially profitable items. To get started, all you need to do is register for a free account on nexusnotes.com. Navigate to the Sell Notes tab and then upload whatever study materials you have to offer. You will then receive payment each time a student uses your materials. Every time a student accesses your notes, they will be sold for a price of $35, and you will receive 50% of that sale as payment. This means that you will be paid $17.50 every time a student uses your notes. You can sell your old class notes if you are a current student or if you kept your notes from previous classes that you attended. Either way, this is a fantastic opportunity to bring in some additional cash. Respondent.io, which comes in at number 2 on our list, is one of the greatest sites to earn money in exchange for sharing your expertise and experience with other people. Respondent is one of the very few websites that will pay you anything from $100 to $750 an hour. You see, other similar websites give you pennies on the dollar, simply for the purpose of participating in studies. Now, we know that sounds too good to be true, which is why we decided to do some research on the topic. We did some research, and what I discovered was that the website Respondent.io has received a review score of 4.5 out of 5 stars out of a total of 150 reviews. Moreover, it's simple to get started. Signing up is as easy as using your work email address. Personalize your talents and interests on the website, and an algorithm called Respondents will send you study subjects based on your professional expertise. Following the completion of each job, you will be paid through PayPal, and you will have the option to move the funds directly into your bank account or keep them in your PayPal account. If you are a reader, I have found the ideal solution for you to earn money online without leaving your bed. Our third website is called the US Review of Books, and it is a website that is completely free to use. On this website, you can read books, review them, and get paid anywhere from $25 to $75 for each book review that you write. There is no catch. You get compensated monetarily for each book review that you provide. It is recommended that you look them up at theusreview.com. There are other services like Online Book Club that make similar claims of paying you to read and review books. However, the problem with this site is that they will frequently find a variety of excuses to avoid paying you. Therefore, what winds up happening is that you invest a significant amount of time into reading and reviewing a book just to have that review rejected. On the other hand, this is not the situation with the US Review of Books. A senior editor on the website has stated that the average reviewer will read and review 8 to 10 books each month, which would bring in somewhere between $200 and $750 per month for the reviewer. And if you find yourself reading nonetheless in your spare time, you might as well get paid for it if reading is something you take pleasure in doing. An easy and fun way to make money anytime. Are you a fan of our Make Money Anytime methods? If so, make sure you give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more of the easiest ways to earn money online. Now, let's go back. The Side Hustle Database is the name of our fourth website. This is a program that was developed to make your search for online side hustles easier and more effective. In case you haven't figured that out already, by making making use of the many different filtering tools that are made available on this website, you will be able to search through potentially hundreds or even thousands of different prospects for making extra money as a side hustle. To give you an example, I can search through and locate ways to make money that will only have the possibility of earning me more than $100,000 a year. Alternatively, if I wanted money much more quickly, I might narrow my search results by fast money or even free money. This can provide you with a comprehensive list of ideas that you can use to launch your next side hustle. You could use it to uncover some quick money chances, or you could use it to entirely alter the course of your financial destiny. Either way, the possibilities are endless. If you've ever entertained the thought of getting paid to play video games, here's your chance to make that dream a reality. Playtest Cloud, our fifth website and a service that provides testing for mobile games, may be accessed at playtestcloud.com. This service is used by major app developers to optimize their games in terms of onboarding, concept, retention, and other metrics. You don't even need to be a professional game tester to get started getting paid to play video games, which is the nicest thing about this innovation. Everyone who is currently watching this video would be eligible to sign up for the site, which claims to test more than 100,000 games annually and will invite you to participate in testing depending on the information in your profile. In addition, in terms of how much money you may actually make, the website will normally pay you approximately $9 for every 15-minute test that you take. Still, it's tough to find any flaw with a service that pays you to play video games online. Number 6 is Trimata. Trimata is another platform where users may get paid to test and provide feedback on websites and apps. During a usability test, your screen and voice will be recorded on video while you use a website or app to evaluate its functionality. You will receive $10 for completing each test, which will normally last between 10 and 20 minutes. In addition, there are no restrictions on the number of tests that can be done in a single day. You will receive payments through PayPal daily during the week from Trimata, and getting started is really simple. Simply go to trimata.com, click on the link that says Get Paid to Test, sign up for an account, and you may immediately begin earning some more money. I bet you've started signing up for these websites I've mentioned so far. Why don't you share your experience with us? We'd love to see you in the comments below. For now, let's head back. As humans, we exert a lot of physical energy every day, walking to work, going for a stroll around the neighborhood, or shopping in and out of stores. What an incredible experience it would be to be compensated for all of that walking. The seventh app on our list is Sweatcoin, which allows users to be compensated for their physical activity, such as walking. Sweatcoin is a free app that tracks your daily activity and awards you with a virtual currency called Sweatcoins. Once you earn Sweatcoins, you can trade in your Sweatcoins for a wide variety of goods and services, including electronic devices like iPhones and Apple Watches, footwear, and online subscriptions. And all that is required of you is to just download the app, after which you can go about your business as usual. Your movement will be tracked in the background by the app, and you will have the opportunity to earn rewards for something that you do every day, regardless of whether or not the app is active. This means that for every 1,000 steps that you take, the app will reward you with about 1 Sweatcoin. Our final recommendation is a website called User Interviews, which is a platform that enables users to get compensated for providing their feedback to companies such as Spotify, Adobe, and Pinterest. Feel free to look around on their website, which can be found at userinterviews.com. You have the potential to make money by providing feedback on genuine items, and there is no shortage of opportunities because more than 2,000 new studies are uploaded every month. They are always searching for new people to sign up, and the process to become a participant is quite easy to get started with. After you have created your profile, start responding to studies that intrigue you by completing a few questionnaires that researchers will use to discover the volunteers they are looking for in their studies. When you have been accepted into the program, you will do the research, and then you will get paid within a few days. The best thing though is that the typical payment for each study is a substantial amount of money. They pay up to or more than $1,500. In general, this is yet another fantastic website that can help you make money, and you should add it to the list of websites that you plan to explore. These are 8 websites that many haven't heard of to make money online. Did you enjoy today's list? Let me know which of these websites has become your favorite and how much you've earned so far. Tell us in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more ways to make money anytime. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.